Hello friend, first topic is CRF, the case report form, CRF. It is designed to collect the patient data in a clinical trial. It is a development that represent a significant part of the clinical trial and can be affected the study success. The site personal capture the subject data on the CRF, which is collected during the participation in the clinical trial. Why CRF? The identify what is the needed, the grouping questions, the sequencing of questions, the standardization of requirement, capture the information uniformly and easy of use. How should be the design CRF? The main of the data management. Their sub point is medical group, biostatics, clinical, project managers, and labs. Then after design and review team. Design team, they check the content of the CRF, the ensuring that the information given is clear uh, and being yes in the design CRF. Then after the CMS and CRA. The CRS are the acceptable to the PI to the ensure it is reflected the core data requirement of protocol. Then after data manager to ensure the stability of CRF collection of data and for entry into the clinical database. Then after clinician, they give the input of the protocol, the requirement. Then after the statistician, the statistician define how the analyze way be the perform, they give the input to ensure the CRF, the correct the requirement analyzing the parameters. Then after when to start the design of designing CRF. The first upon protocol development. Then after the CRF development, then first is the CRF development is the start when the protocol will be the subjected to know the further the substantial revision. The second is the CRF is the finalization the dependent on the receipt on the final approval of protocol. Then after the general consideration, the CRF cosmetics. The first of all, boxes to hold the answer. Second is the limit in the circling the of answer. And after third is the specified the designate of the questions the page. Busy the document. It is a difficult for the investigator data entry, the group and monitoring to the navigate. Then next is the separation of the column within the thin lines. Then after the consideration of formatting, use of the italic bold should be the considered. Then after is the header and footer. The header means is the study number, site center number, is the subject, patient number, visit name, visit number, visit date, page number, etc. Then after footer, the date of printing, CRF finalization date, CRF version. Demography of CRF. The purpose, first of all purpose to the gather the demographic information at the screening included. But first of all, date of birth. The date must be the completed to the compliant with the protocol eligibility criteria. Second is gender and race. If the race is the subject, it is not in the listed mark other and is the specify in the space provided. Then after the weight and height, the circle is the check the either LB or the kg in inches or to indicate the measurement unit. Then after inform the consist data is the supporting the details of the administration of the IC to the subject. Then after the medical history, the purpose to record the medical and the surgical history of subject in the baseline. They capture the details of the significant medical history. They capture the body system, capture whether it is normal or the normal. It is not if normal is the specify. If the necessary, the capture the data is the accuracy. Then after is the laboratory data. The purpose the record the clinical laboratory data. The performing the prior to study the admission and with the intervention as is the specified in the protocol and the adhering to the specific the direction in the protocol required at the baseline monthly the visit and or in the of study. The modified lab test they listen to the template reflected in the specified protocol requirement. The insert in the appropriate unit as per lab normal. Thank you.